Experts with a passion. Producer of innovative technical chemicals and disinfectants. Family business with over 25 years on the market. Our products have received many prestigious awards. The highest quality of our products and services is appreciated, among others, by SCHIESSL, BEIJER Ref, Volkswagen, Bosch Service, Bridgestone, ABB, Philips, NANOCLEAN Air, our bestseller, the leading HVAC-R disinfection, first product in the HVAC-R industry. All-in-one, cleans, fumigates, disinfects and refreshes in one process. Removes viruses, bacteria, fungi, mycobacteria, spores. NANOCLEAN Air is the product of choice for professional AC and ventilation service technicians. We apply the highest standards of customer service. Trustworthy team. We keep our word. We are here for you, all of us. Passion, knowledge, innovation, quality. NANOCLEAN Air, HVAC disinfection leader. NANOCLEAN-air.com